There's been no respite for Baba Ramdev and Patanjali CEO Balkrishna in the misleading advertisements case. The Supreme Court once again came down hard on the duo for their actions, saying while Ramdev has done a lot for yoga, his apology for degrading allopathy was not enough. Both Ramdev and Balkrishna issued an unconditional apology once again and assured the court of taking corrective measures, including a public apology. Now, they also promised to not make any such mistakes again, and the Supreme Court has given them 1 week time to decide what corrective measures should be taken. The judges also warned Baba Ramdev and Balkrishna that they haven't been let off of the hook. Again, there's no respite for Baba Ramdev and the Patanjali CEO Balkrishna when it comes to the misleading ads case. The Supreme Court has once again come down hard on the duo for their actions. To get us more on what took place during the court, we're being joined by my colleague Harish. Harish, over to you.
Yes, in fact, at the end of the hearing today, Mukul, the advocate who had represented Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan said that to redeem themselves and to prove the bona fides, the two have agreed to issue a public apology, and Supreme Court said contenders will take some steps on their own initiative and unilaterally. What steps is to be taken is for the contenders to decide, and the next date of hearing is April 23rd. Remember, there was a very interesting Ramdev Balkrishna versus the bench, one-to-one with the bench. They spoke and they said, both of them said, we are tendering unconditional and unqualified apology. And Supreme Court told Ramdev, what about the press conferences? This Siddha, Unani, Ayurveda, allopathy, people use all kinds of treatment. There is an integrated use now for the people. But to sell your products, you are belittling, questioning efficacy of and shooting down other streams of medicine. This is just not done. At this point, Ramdev told the bench that it was not our intention to hurt anyone or commit contempt or to violate orders of the court. We actually have evidence-based proof. But he said that we were talking about clinical evidence and perhaps we should not have said what was said, and there was no intention to commit contempt. Baba Ramdev also said, you are right, Lordship. The situation in which I am ashamed. I will do everything to ensure that it is not repeated. And Acharya Balakrishna also said that, yes, as per what Baba Ramdev said, we have clinical evidence, but we are tendering apology. We should not have said what we had said. In fact, the bench clearly told them that you cannot degrade other streams of medicines, even when you are promoting your medicines. In fact, Ramdev said, we may have done this comparison in the excitement, we will not repeat. So, the big takeaway is that today, Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan had a one-to-one with the bench, end of which Supreme Court appeared inclined to accept their apology and have said that, and have given them liberty to take whatever steps they plan to take, including to redeem themselves and to make their stand clear to prove their bona fides. But the lawyer has hinted that they intend to publish a public apology.